intercept form of the equation of the plane. Now, to find the equation of a plane which cuts off intercepts a comma b comma c on the axis of x, y, z respectively. So, what the equation will be? Let's drive it now. Now, this is a figure. Now, according to the figure, let a, b, c, I have mentioned here a, b and c. Let a, b, c be the plane meeting the axis x, y and z at a, b and c respectively. Therefore, OA is equal to A, OB is equal to B and OC is equal to C. Now, coordinates of A, B and C are A with small a, B with and C with respectively. Now, what is the equation of the plane in the Cartesian form? Okay. Now, equation of the plane, ABC is Lx plus My plus Nz plus D is equal to 0, or you can write it is equal to D also, because distance cannot be negative. Okay. So, we have written is Lx plus My plus Nz plus D is equal to 0. Now, A lies on, let this be equation 1. Now, A lies on equation 1. Therefore, now coordinates of A are A, 0 and 0. Therefore, we are having Lx plus D is equal to 0, and this implies L is equal to minus D upon X. B lies on equation 1. Therefore, My plus D is equal to 0, and this implies M is equal to minus D upon and C lies on equation 1. Therefore, Nz plus D is equal to 0, and this implies N is equal to minus D upon Z. Now, A is with A 0 0, B is with 0 B 0, and C is with 0 0 C. Therefore, L is equal to minus D upon A, M is equal to minus D upon B, and N is equal to minus D upon C. Putting the coordinates. Substituting values of L, M and N in equation 1, we get, now we are substituting values of L, M and N in equation 1, L, M and N. So what we are getting now? We are getting minus D upon A with X minus D upon B with Y minus D upon C with Z plus D is equal to 0. Now this implies X upon A plus Y upon B plus Z upon C is equal to 1. Hence, equation of plane in intercept form is X upon A plus Y upon B plus Z upon C is equal to 1. So now this is the answer, this is the solution. Now if you don't want to write this line, then directly you can write it, L is equal to minus D upon X is equal to minus D upon A. Okay, we can write here also, you can write directly as, or we can write it L is equal to minus D upon A, or L is equal to minus D upon B, or L is equal to minus D upon C, as we have already written that these are the coordinates and this A passes through this one. Okay,